YouTube channel. My name is Erica. For the new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing, and for the people that have watched, thank you very much for watching. And if you did subscribe, may God bless you too. So guys, in today's video, as you can see from the title, yeah, I'll be doing another replica bag unboxing. Yeah, that. So yeah, and guys, also don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. I really appreciate your support. So yeah, we shall move on now. So let us check out what they got us here. Yeah, this. Okay, type of thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail passed. Okay, so now we shall open. Let us see what they got us here. Okay. I just hope they got me what I really wanted, because if they didn't give me what I wanted, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but okay, I took too much. Okay, shall we start? Wait guys, Louis Vuitton is supposed to come in a black box. This is not Louis Vuitton. Does Louis Vuitton come in a black box? I don't think so. Never seen a black box before, but I wonder. Let me not get upset with this one again. Maybe it has the box inside, because it looks like it feels very heavy. Fendi. No, wrong bag. Ooh, I almost had a heart attack. They put it in a Fendi box, but thank God that you don't mess up. Oh God. So yeah guys, this is the box. Ooh, the last bag that I did, the Palm Spring backpack, it did not have a box, and this time I specifically requested for a box, so they had to send the box. But I almost had a heart attack. I put it in the, anyway, at least I got myself a Fendi bag, Fendi box. Ooh. Yeah, but it destroyed. Okay. So guys, this is the box. The box. It's here. It's finally here. So we shall. Okay. Oh God, it feels nice to open. It feels nice to open a bag, you know. Yeah, I think so. This is how you guys feel that buy original bags. If okay. Yeah, so again, they send fake receipts. You know what they do. But anyway, I am bothered about it. I don't care. Oh, I don't care. Oh, guys, I can't. Okay, Louis Vuitton. I think I'll rate this shop 100 for having the perfect replica. Oh, new bag. So guys, this is how the bag looks like. I know I'm being dramatic at all. I know it's voila. the bag is a little heavy, so it comes with the, you know, the bag thing. It also comes with a purse, a small wallet. Yeah, and the inside is red. Oh God, I'm gonna put this bag for business, you know. So nice. I love this. This shop did it for me. The last shop, not so much. Not so much. And guys, also something about me, like, I don't know if it's just me, but I am obsessed with Louis Vuitton. Like, I love their bags. I don't care, but you know, I just wish somebody can buy for me the original bag. That's one thing about me. Oh, guys, see the bag. See it. Can't wait to rock this. Oh, tomorrow I'm going out. Baby, you home. Mama loves you. Okay, so guys, you've seen it. A purse, blah, what, box. Those are kind of like did surprise me with Fendi. So maybe I might also get this Fendi. Oh no, not fun of Fendi, but okay. So guys, this is the bag. In case you want to get it, I think you can find it on Wish or something. Okay, in case you want it, if they have Amazon, blah blah, I'll try and ask the sellers if they have if they actually do ship outside China, if they have those if they have a shop on Amazon, they have a shop on eBay, they have a shop on Wish, they have a shop on Alipay. I'll try on Alibaba. I'll try and ask to see if they have these, so that some of you people can actually do get this bag. Yeah, but guys, and one thing is that they did not even take long to ship it, so I love this shop. I'm gonna give them a 100. Okay, so guys, I've talked too much, so put down. So guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. You know, I love this bag. I hope you guys do too. I know it's replica, but girl, I don't mind. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Nobody. Okay, I'm gonna spray some perfume, make it look expensive, you know, smell a little expensive too, so I don't mind. Okay, I will rock my bag till I rock it to it getting ripped off or torn apart. I don't care. I can go for war for this bag. I don't care. I just don't see myself caring. Okay, so guys, that's all for the video for today. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Come back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay, thank you, loves.